My people, abeg make una judge this matter. These people wey you see here, this girl e get belle. As the girl get belle, this boy wey give am this belle, the boy run. E no come take care of am. So luckily, this young girl wey you dey see here, this fine girl, chai, I wish I go fit know am sha, but however, and if you no reach me sha. Okay, this fine girl wey you see here, come see this girl, come help am, buy everything, take after until the girl deliver. Now, the girl waka o, go carry the boy wey pregnant am, come stay for the house wey people gather money take rent for am. I want you to listen to this video and tell me your own opinion for inside this video.
Okay, now that we got you a new house, man don't find you come.
No, it's not like that.
No, it's like that. Wait, let me enter. All this while I've been giving you money, this man has been absent in your life. Now that you got a new place, this man is here. I don't understand. Make it make sense.
Last time when you came on Monday, he was around with us, but he
No, but all the times I've been coming, I've come to see you like 10 times. I mean, since the first day I met you, I've seen you like 10 times. Have I ever seen him?
No.
Shay, you told me that first when you spoke to him, he told you that what you did was for fun.
Yes.
And now that you have a new place, he's here. You dey smile. I know they follow you smile. Oga.
I went home. In that time, I go.
But now, did you ask her that how did all this thing come about? That you are now here? Do you know the struggles that she has been going through? Even when she was pregnant, before she gave birth, like 2 weeks before she gave birth, I made sure I bought all these baby things for her. Then now she don't get her, she don't disappear again. You hear me? Oga, this is how they follow you play. If not because of this baby, I would say you should disappear. This thing when you do, now so that they do something. 135,000. It's okay. Please stand up. Please make sure you buy your phones from J-Plug. Like my phones now, I buy everything from J-Plug. You understand? Baby, you miss me.
Thank you. Love you. Buy your phone from J-Plug.